Hey guys, it's Ryan at GPI. I'm going to take a couple minutes to talk about our LT PD3 camshaft. It's a very popular option for the positive displacement crowd, for the LT guys that are running stock cubic inch. You know, your built LT1 and LT4 guys. Typical applications are going to be, my recommendation at least, is going to be when you want to make 750 wheel, 800 wheel, and above there. This cam's made as much as 1100 plus rear wheel horsepower with the right combination. Typically it's paired with the 2650 blowers, but we do use it also on the max effort ported factory blowers, you know, like the Kong Export and the other, you know, equivalents in the aftermarket. You can see Jeremiah's car here has a Whipple on it, that's what's in here. That thing likes to RPM a little bit, low 7,000s, so it really needs a converter. You can get by without one if you have to, but I don't recommend it. Certainly recommended having a converter that's in between 3,000 and 4,000 on the flash to help accommodate that thing, because it is a little softer down low to pack some more in that mid-upper RPM range. It continues to work well with added boost. You know, so when you're really cranking the 2650s, you know, 20 plus pounds of boost, factory blowers up in the upper teens, near 20 pounds of boost, those are the typical applications where you would want to use that camshaft. Below that, you know, in the 600s, 700s, you know, mild stuff, we use our Stage 2 PD more often, especially for factory converter applications. The PD3 is an excellent choice for your maximum effort LT1, LT4 stock displacement PD setup. That's what we recommend. When you're going to go to, you know, 416 or bigger cubic inch, we'll recommend you go custom, and we'll have to put some more camshaft in, and it'll be on a build by build basis.